In today's video, I will tell you how you can reset your mouse if it disconnects while you are playing a game, and even if it doesn't work due to the plugin. This issue is common in Windows 11, especially with gaming mice because they have specific drivers unlike the default Windows drivers. That's why it's necessary to restart your PC. And when you do, your mouse works. Otherwise, it doesn't. So, watch this video till the end, and if you find it helpful, please like and subscribe. As you guys know, we are working on suggested topics recommended by viewers in the comment section. So what we are going to do here. First of all, click on the Windows icon, then type Device Manager. Once you open the Device Manager, you need to find your mice over here in the drivers, mice and other pointing device. Now right-click on your mice specific driver and then go into the properties. Now drivers, update drivers, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Now here, simply you need to select here, HID, compliant mouse, and then click on Next. Now if your mice is working perfectly right now after selecting this driver, HID compliant mouse. Now use these drivers if your mouse will disconnected, just replug in your mouse wire, and your mouse will work fine. You don't need to restart your PC. And if it's not working yet, then again, right-click on this. Go into the properties. Again, drivers update drivers, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And again, choose the specific driver that came with your mouse. Specific drivers. And then click on Next, and that's it. Now your mice will working fine. If still you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, just take care yourself. Bye-bye.